Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMin Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So to insert the bar chart on your Microsoft Excel, this is how you just want to first select the points correctly, then check on this, go to the insert option, insert the chart option, just scroll down and you will see option called bar. Click on this bar section, and here you can find different type of bar chart. So this is a normal chart and 3D chart and low and more. Click on this chart, so the chart will be inserted here like this. You can see now you just can change the layout section, so you have a lot of detailed layout if you just need it. So you can just select any one of those, then you can just change the color theme like this. And also if you just needed a single color, you can just also choose a single color, and you can just also change the style which will be look great for your theme set. It's look like 3D, so you can see how cool it was. And you can just change the color and also style which will be have a more great look for your Excel sheets. So this is a mobile version which shows a lot of theme sets for your Excel for your chart like this. So you can just change this bar chart with the style. You can see a lot of styles which look, every style is looking great. So my favorite one was this section will be looking great, so I just choosing this color. And this is how you just create a bar chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMin Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.